How to make highlights on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can make highlights on Instagram. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do it. So if you want to make highlights on your Instagram, all you need to do is open up your Instagram first. After you open it up, you can head over to profile page by tapping on the bottom right corner. And when you reach over here, you need to go ahead and tap on this menu bar at the top. After you go ahead and tap on it, look for your stories. So you can look for your stories here, including the archive one. All you need to do is just go ahead and tap on your story first. And in the bottom, you'll be finding highlight option. Just go ahead and tap on it. After that, you can go ahead and create a new highlight for yourself. So you can write up a name for your highlight. For example, I'm just keeping it as highlight and clicking on add after that. Just go ahead and do that and your highlight will be added. You can tap on this view on profile option in order to look for your highlight in your profile page. So you can just go ahead and tap on a highlight in order to see your highlight. If you want to add more, you can just go ahead and follow the same process in order to do so. So that is how you create highlight for yourself on your Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.